So another major player, and I think supplementation is one of the most important things to do when traveling, because we are doing all these things to our body, things that are different, affecting our nutrient levels. Maybe we're not getting it all from our food, and all the other aspects we just talked about can further deplete things. So I make sure almost like I could say double up on certain supplements to make sure I'm covering all my bases and I'm really supporting my body. And one of the biggest ones I love to do is our methylene blue. So
for sure,
as I said, all these things like affect our mitochondria. So when I am traveling, again, I'm going to give the example because we just got back last night from a week-long trip. I took methylene blue every morning. Typically, this is something I'll do every other day, maybe every second day, but I make sure I'm supporting my body by doing it every day. And then when I come back, I can take, a little break from it. So love the methylene blue. When it comes to like working with the inflammation that we're causing ourselves, I love to increase my factor 4. So instead of taking the 2, take 4 or 6 during that period of travel. And let's think, I always are essential aminos, building blocks of protein. Again, we're not having our regular workouts. Sometimes, like when we travel, sometimes it's just body weight stuff. I'm not having my regular strength training.